Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone reviews and buying guides. Helicopter. Today, we're answering the big question: should you buy the DJI Flip? We'll break down its features, performance, and whether it's worth your money. If you're considering this unique drone, stick around for all the details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert reviews and drone insights. Ultra-portable foldable design for maximum convenience. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is expected to introduce a revolutionary foldable design, making it the most compact drone in DJI's lineup. Unlike traditional models such as the DJI Mini series, which feature fixed folding arms, this new drone could have a clamshell mechanism, allowing it to be stored in an even smaller footprint for effortless portability. 4K stabilized camera with AI-powered tracking. The DJI Flip is likely to feature a high-resolution 4K camera with advanced gimbal stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even in motion. Compared to previous compact drones, this model may incorporate AI-powered tracking, allowing it to follow subjects automatically with enhanced precision, making it ideal for vloggers and content creators. Gesture and voice control for hands-free flying. To enhance user experience, the DJI Flip could integrate gesture and voice commands, allowing users to launch, land, and capture footage without needing a controller. Unlike older DJI models that rely on app-based or manual control, this feature would make drone operation more intuitive for beginners and casual users. Extended battery life with rapid charging. The DJI Flip is expected to feature improved battery efficiency, offering longer flight times compared to previous compact drones. With advancements in battery technology, it may provide a balance between power and weight, ensuring extended use while supporting rapid charging for minimal downtime. Advanced obstacle avoidance and indoor flight mode. Equipped with DJI's latest obstacle avoidance sensors, the DJI Flip could offer improved navigation and safety, especially in tight indoor spaces. Unlike older drones that struggle with confined environments, this model may include an indoor flight mode, making it perfect for capturing smooth footage indoors or in crowded locations. Seamless DJI app integration with social media sharing. The DJI Flip is expected to integrate more deeply with the DJI Fly app, offering real-time editing and instant social media sharing. Unlike older models that require manual file transfers, this drone may introduce direct uploads to platforms like Instagram and TikTok, catering to modern content creators. Innovative flip-to-fly mechanism for instant deployment. The DJI Flip could introduce a unique flip-to-fly mechanism, allowing users to unfold and launch the drone within seconds. Unlike traditional drones that require manual arm extensions and pre-flight setup, this new system may provide a one-motion deployment, making it faster and more user-friendly for casual flyers and travelers. Compact controller with built-in display for on-the-go control. A redesigned controller with a built-in display could eliminate the need for a smartphone, offering a more streamlined flying experience. Compared to previous DJI controllers that require mobile connectivity, this all-in-one approach would provide faster setup times, reduced latency, and a more immersive flight experience for users who want a hassle-free operation. Smart auto landing and precision hovering. The DJI Flip could feature an advanced smart auto landing system, ensuring precise and safe landings even in tricky environments. Compared to previous DJI models, this drone might use enhanced vision sensors and AI-powered algorithms to detect safe landing zones, reducing the risk of crashes and making it easier for beginners to operate. Modular accessories for customization and versatility. A modular design could allow the DJI Flip to support interchangeable accessories, such as attachable LED lights, upgraded camera modules, or external battery packs. Unlike traditional drones with fixed hardware, this flexibility would provide users with customization options to enhance their filming, night flying, or extended flight time needs. Water-resistant design for all-weather flying. The DJI Flip could feature a water-resistant body, allowing it to operate in light rain or humid environments without damage. Unlike previous DJI drones that require dry conditions for safe flying, this model might include sealed motors and weatherproof coatings, making it more reliable for outdoor adventures in unpredictable weather. Silent propeller technology for stealthy operation. A new low-noise propeller system could make the DJI Flip significantly quieter than previous models, reducing sound levels for discreet flying. Compared to older DJI drones with standard propellers, this innovation would make it ideal for wildlife filming, urban vlogging, or low-profile aerial photography without drawing unwanted attention. Dual camera system for versatile shooting angles. The DJI Flip could introduce a dual camera setup, allowing users to switch between wide-angle and telephoto lenses for more dynamic footage. Unlike previous DJI drones that rely on a single fixed camera, this feature would enable cinematic zoom effects, split-screen recording, and creative aerial perspectives without needing additional equipment. AI-powered flight modes for effortless cinematic shots. With advanced AI-powered flight modes, the DJI Flip could offer pre-programmed cinematic movements such as automated tracking, orbiting, and dynamic zoom. Unlike older models that require manual piloting skills, this intelligent system would make professional-quality aerial shots accessible to beginners with just a tap on the DJI Fly app. 360-degree obstacle avoidance for enhanced safety. The DJI Flip could feature an advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, utilizing multiple sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Unlike previous DJI drones with limited front and downward sensors, this model might offer full-range protection, making it safer to fly in complex environments like forests, cities, or indoors. Foldable propellers for maximum portability. A foldable propeller design could make the DJI Flip even more compact, allowing it to fit into smaller carrying cases or pockets. Unlike previous DJI drones with standard fixed or partially foldable propellers, this innovation would ensure greater portability while maintaining strong aerodynamic efficiency for stable flight performance. Conclusion. The DJI Flip promises to be a groundbreaking drone with its innovative features, such as a foldable design, dual camera system, and AI-powered flight modes. If these leaks are accurate, it could offer unparalleled portability, safety, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for both casual users and content creators. With its advanced technology, the DJI Flip would undoubtedly set a new standard in the drone market. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, will you be getting the DJI Flip, or are you waiting for something better? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and drone insights. See you in the next video.